Hello, welcome. Today we are at the Intersolar in Munich. We are the exhibitor CW Energy stand and we're looking right now at the products that we have here today. I'm Alena and I'm going to show you these products we have in our stand today, explain you detail by detail what we are doing and how those products can help you in your life. Alright, one of the most interesting things we have on exhibit here are the things we have below our pergola. One, I'm going to show you the pergola system as well as the TommaTech Smart Home Solution Systems. Come and follow me. Here we are below our green solar veranda. With these pergola systems and veranda systems, you can expand your living space. Expand your living space, think of having a kitchen, think of having a bigger living room, a winter garden. We can close these up from the side completely as well. So we are protected from the top, we are protected from the sides, and we can adjust them according to your needs. Adjust them how? Well, coming from here, we have 5 meters we can expand from your house wall. For the width, we can go as ever far as you want. We can go all the way from up to 1 meter, which would be 1 row of solar panels, to however much space you need, however much space you want to expand. Here, we can have glass coverings. We have these aluminium frames, which are also all of them produced in Turkey. The aluminium also, for the look, we can have in different kind of colors. We can have them in black, white, like we have here, and all kind of shades of beige, gold, brown, whatever requirement is. So looking at our pergola systems from the inside, we can see something you don't see with most systems. This lighting we have inside the frames holding up the solar panels. It is absolutely amazing for ambience purposes and for just having great lighting already very cleanly integrated into your pergola system. The other thing for the great lighting, especially during the day, is our spaced out solar panels. The solar panels are allowing us to take in a lot of natural light during the day, so we have an amazing lit up space while still, of course, not compromising on our energy production that we can have in here. So now we're going to look more detailed at our smart home solution system. This is all part of the TommaTech Home Solution Systems and we're using TommaTech German engineering. First, I'm going to show you this heat pump here. This heat pump, we can do hot water, we can do any kind of heating or cooling as well. It's not only for cooling and heating, but especially with older types of buildings, we can also use it to dehumidify the air in any kind of room, which is absolutely amazing if you are planning to dehumidify your basement floors. It is very useful for usage or installation in the basement floors, since we have another possibility of dehumidizing the room in there with this heat pump. The specifics information about this heat pump you can find in the data sheet, but in general we have a 130 liter tank and we're using the R290 natural gases for heat pump purposes. Keeping going from our heat pump station, we have our buffer tank right here, we have our pumping group, we have a freshwater station, as well as our access unit for the floor heating. The other things that we have here as exemplary, we have many more features that we can show, is our fan coil, which we use for heating and cooling our rooms. We have our inverter and we have our storage units, which have a storage capacity up to 20 kilowatts. All these systems we can connect and we can see here and control through our TommaTech Cloud application. Here we have an amazing overview of the systems we could have installed in our house as an example. We're taking the energy from our roof, we're getting them through our inverters, transferring them to our storage units. We can have car charging stations, we can have our heat pumps connected, and everything we can see here through our application. Understand how much we're producing, how much we're using now, how much CO2 we are actually saving. Everything produced by TommaTech German engineering.